Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 14-inch gaming laptop powered by AMD Ryzen 7 5800HS processor. You can see this is a Republic of Gamers or ROG labeled box from ASUS. Not much information on this box outside some manufacturer information. So let's open this box and take a look inside. Inside you will see there are two boxes. This is the one that has the laptop in it, and there's another box over here. Let's take a look at both of them. Let's take them out first. Okay, I'll get to the laptop in a bit, but first let's take a look at what else we have. This is a sleeve for this laptop. I'll give you a closer look. There you go. This is a sleeve for this particular laptop. I'm going to open it up and give you a closer look of the sleeve. There you can see this is what the sleeve looks like. There's no compartment here, but there's a compartment over here as well. There's a chain and a compartment over here. It's written the choice of champion. And there you are. There's one compartment here. And there's a thermocol packing over here, but you can ignore this and take a look at the other compartment right over here. So this is what the laptop sleeve looks like. Now let's take a look at this box and see what the laptop looks like. Okay, right in front you have the laptop. I'm going to take it out and leave it here. This box contains, I think, some documentations. There are some documentations. We'll take a look at each one of them. Over here we have the charging brick. A plastic packet that's no use. Let's keep it here. And on this side we have another compartment. We will have the rest of the charging cable. There you go. Do we have anything else over here? No, that's more or less it. I'm going to put this box away and take a look at each of these components now. Okay, first up we have this. This is a 250 volt charging cable from ASUS. This is a power block, the charging block. There's a 150 watt AC adapter for the laptop. I'm going to leave this over here as well. There are some documentations here. Let's quickly take a look at what these. So we have there's a quick installation guide. This is basically a guide on how to charge this device. It's written in many languages. Also quick installation, quick startup guide basically, sort of. I'm going to leave this here. This is a thank you note and registration note from ASUS. Finally, this is the user manual for this particular laptop, which you should read at least once. Now let's take a look at the laptop itself. See, there you go. This is what it looks like. This is the Eclipse gray variant. This is obviously a gaming inspired design. I'm going to show you what the interior looks like. So let's remove this, and this is it. This is what the laptop looks like. This is of course a 14-inch laptop. The keyboard is not as large as you say a 15.6-inch laptop, gaming laptop has. This is not a full keyboard as you can see. This is the numpad is missing, but it does have the directional keys, which is a great addition. I'm going to turn this on and show you the display. Yeah, there you can see the backlit, the RGB backlit keyboard is also working. I can turn on the brightness and turn up and turn down the brightness of the keyboard. This is not exactly the heaviest of gaming laptops. It's actually lightweight design, but not the lightest one either. This is end of the day a gaming laptop and has a lot of components in it. As mentioned earlier, this particular texture gives you this hologram kind of look, which is a nice feature. There is a Zephyrus logo at the back, along with the air vents over here. On this side, we have a couple of ports. We have the power port, the HDMI port, USB-C port, and a 3.5mm jack. And on this side, we have one USB-C port and two USB-A ports, along with the speakers and vents. On the underside, we have 4 rubber anti-slip stops. Make sure that when you're gaming, it doesn't slip or move with it, which is important. And do we have anything else? Yes, there are a couple of stickers here. Let me just give you a closer look. There you can see there is a AMD Ryzen 7 5000 series sticker over here. In fact, this particular laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7. That's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 14-inch gaming laptop. And this is the Eclipse grey variant of this particular gaming laptop. Thank you for watching.